just the way people monetize YouTube channel, there's this one other website which also allows you to monetize your channel on their own platform. And the best part of this platform is that you don't need 1,000 subscribers, you don't need 4,000 watch hour. All you need to do is simply set out this particular stuff which I'm going to be showing you right here in this very video, and you can qualify for their monetization. And this platform is called Rumble, and most of my videos on this very platform are also monetized. Okay, so in this very video I'm going to be showing you how I do it, how this particular platform works right here in 2026. Okay, if you don't know about Rumble is just a video publishing platform where you can actually publish your videos in several categories, just like YouTube. All right, on this platform you can publish short videos, you can publish long videos, you can publish any video about any category like gaming, cryptocurrency, sports, viral, podcast, comedy, and lot more. Okay, and the best part is that even if you're publishing on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and lots more, you can as well publish the same video on this very platform, as long as you've not really signed any exclusive license with any platform. For you to get started on this platform, all you need to do is simply head over to your browser and you're going to simply search for rumble.com. right? So if you click on it, this is going to simply take you to this video page where you have to simply sign up. Okay, you're going to see right here there are a lot of videos on this video platform. Okay, we can actually go ahead and sign up or sign in. If you have an account, you can sign in. If you don't have an account, you can click on this section that says sign up. All right, so once you click on this section, this is going to simply take you to the next section where you have to simply put in your details like your email, your password, every other stuff. All right, log into your account after verification with your email. Okay, go to account setting. That is the first thing you need to do. Click on this settings button. All right, after filling your details on this section, go to the next section, which is verification. Okay, and this verification is what allows you to actually get monetized. You have to make sure that your account is verified. How do you verify it? You have to put in your details like your phone number. Okay, they're going to simply send you a message with a code, then you copy the code and paste here and verify your account. Okay, and once your account is verified, you'll be able to upload videos or use the live stream. Okay, you'll be able to actually monetize your content or your videos. You'll be able to leave comments on proposed videos. All right, you'll be able to vote for videos and comment a lot more. Okay, there's a lot more you can actually do when your account is verified. That's to tell them that you're a real human. So once your account is verified, come over to this section that says channels. Okay, since you already created your account with your profile, what you're going to be seeing is your profile. Okay, just like this one right here. But if you want to get this done for yourself professionally and also run it as a business, you have to make sure you create a channel from this same profile. Okay, which means every single video you're going to be publishing will be on that channel, not on your profile. It is very much better if your channel is the one containing your video. Your profile will be at your back end. Okay, you can use one profile to create 2 channels or 3. All right, okay, but I recommend you start with one so you can actually stay consistent with it. So you click on these channels right here. You can actually go ahead and create another channel by clicking on this section that says create channel. Then you have to simply add the name. Okay, you add the title, you add the description of the channel, add a thumbnail to it, add a backsplash. Okay, just like a banner. All right, then you connect your social media, your Facebook, your True Social, your Instagram, and X. Okay, once you're done with that, click on the continue button or create button. All right, once your channel is created, that's when the work starts. All right, which means you have to start uploading videos on your channel. Okay, but before you start uploading video, there's one thing you have to know so that you won't start uploading randomly without getting any result. Okay, so I'm going to be listing out and showing you the best niches right now on Rumble that you can actually venture into right now. What you need to do for me is this: you don't copy people's videos or to post on Rumble. You don't upload people's videos. You have to make sure whatever thing you're uploading on this very platform is basically your own video, like your own original video. So one thing you need to do is to make sure that you stay compliant with this very platform to avoid getting your account or channel disabled. All right, so the best niches right now you can actually venture into. First niche right now is finance and investing. On this particular niche has high CPM. The examples of stuff you can actually talk about on this very niche are budgeting, side hustles, AI business tools, passive income, credit card, stock, crypto news, online business. Okay, and the number 2 trending niche right now on this very platform is the political commentary and news. Right, so this particular one right here has huge audience on Rumble already. The next niche you can actually venture into on Rumble right now in 2026 is AI tools and automation. All right, so this is fast growing niche on this very platform. Example of videos you can actually make on this particular niche are the AI tutorials, AI side hustles, YouTube automations. You can make video about AI business workflow and lots more. Okay, So the next niche you can actually venture into is the viral short documentary style videos. All right, the next one on this very niche is business and entrepreneurship. You can show out here, it has great CPM, and also you can talk about small business ideas, you can talk about online income, you can talk about digital marketing, SaaS tools, case studies, and a lot more. Okay, so the next on this very list is the tech and gadget niche. Okay, this is best for affiliate marketing. Okay, like if you want to actually review a particular tool, for instance, I want to review a tool that can actually help generate videos. All right, okay, then while making that video, I can actually drop my own affiliate link on the comment section or in the description of my video on Rumble. Okay, if people are watching the video, they can actually go ahead and click that particular link, and I'm going to simply make it known to my audience that there's a particular link on that particular video. Okay, just to stay compliant with Rumble terms and conditions. Right, so for you to create your videos on this very platform, the first thing you need to do is to actually go ahead and click on this section that says plus icon. Okay, so this section that says go ad free is if you want to subscribe to the premium version of this very platform, so that you won't be seeing ads again when watching people's video. That's what this means. All right, so since we are not all about that, we're going to simply focus on what we want, okay, which is monetization, and we're going to simply click on this section. When you click on that, you can either upload the video which you've already created, edited, and ready to upload. Okay, you can upload that video, or you can go live on this very platform. Okay, or you go straight to Rumble Studio. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using the upload button. So if you click on this section that says upload video, the maximum size of video you can upload is 15 gig. Okay, you're going to simply upload any video of your choice. So let's say I want to just go ahead and upload this very one, or this anyone. Let's say I want to upload this one, though this is just a sample video I want to use for this. Okay, not just my own type of video, right? So I'm going to upload it and show you how this thing works. So if I click on upload, I have to add the title of the video. Okay, then add the description, select the primary category, and also add a thumbnail for the video. Okay, and also I can go ahead and add tags, audio stuff. And remember, this is where it's important for you to pay close attention. All right, so you can see you can upload your video to your profile, or you choose a channel which you've already created. Okay, so you have to make sure that your videos are focused on your channel, then your profile will just be there for you. Your profile will be like your Gmail, then while your channel is your channel. Okay, so once you select that, you can set it as default, and you can add this as a featured image or featured video at the top of your profile or channel. Okay, public for visibility. Okay, and on this section you can select to publish this notification to your followers if you already have followers. Okay, so after that you click on this upload button. All right, so that's basically how this thing works, and with this you're going to simply get your video uploaded on this very platform. And remember, the monetization is automatic. You don't have to turn it on. Rumble will do it for you. Once you upload your video, automatically Rumble will run a check on it. If it is qualified for monetization, you're going to see where it states monetize. All right, as long as your video is compliant with what they want, they're going to simply allow you to monetize that. Okay, so once your video is monetized, as well, go ahead and promote that, share it on your social media platform, share it on your X, tell people to follow your channel or subscribe to your channel, and a lot more. Okay, by so doing, you're getting more audience, you're getting more subscribers for your job. And the best way to grow on this very platform is to actually look out for things that are working for other people. Okay, for instance, you need to simply search for your niche. Okay, so if your niche is AI, you have to simply search for AI. Once you search for that, this is going to simply bring out every single video about AI. You're going to simply look out for what people are saying or what people are doing about your niche. Then you do the same thing. You can show out here the ones that are working for people. You can actually start creating that type of video, and you still also go viral on this video platform. Okay, so remember, the platform doesn't require you to have subscribers or watch hour before you can monetize. Once your video is compliant with what they want, they're going to simply review it. So the best thing to do is to actually publish videos that are 5 minutes to 15 minutes longer or more. All right, so as long as people stay on your channel or stay on your videos, that's going to simply trigger the algorithm to help increase reach out to more people and more viewers. Okay, and the second thing you need to do, upload consistently. All right, you don't upload one video and expect the whole world to start watching it. No, it doesn't work that way. And with this, you're going to simply build a business around this stuff and let it work for you. Okay, all you need to do right now is simply go ahead and create your account on this video platform. Join us on our Telegram, WhatsApp channel. I'm going to be sharing more updates. If you want more videos like this, hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to this very channel because you might not see my videos again. All right, see you in the next one.